everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great as usual. And today I'm gonna do the look that is inspired from the most awaited and the most talked upcoming movie of Alia Bhatt named Gangubai Kathiyawad. And if you wanna know how to create that look, then keep on watching. So first of all, here I am going to use the Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Moisturizing Serum in Lotion. This much is sufficient for me. After that, I'm gonna use the Glow On Facial Oil from Etude House with Gold Flakes. Just a pump. The look Alia Bhatt is having in this movie is before the interval the look is of teenage girl and after that an adult one. So I will be recreating the look of the adult one, and for that I don't think she has done much of the eye makeup, just a bold kajal, and we will do that after we do a base makeup. So first of all I'm gonna do my base, and for that here I'm using the True Match L'Oreal's foundation in the shade Rose Beige and applying it with my beauty blender. For concealer I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer in my usual area like under my eye area, chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead, and I'm in the shade 110 Fair. I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender right away because I'm not going to do the stick contour. I will be directly doing my powder contour, and that's why here I'm blending my concealer first. For contour, I'm using the Duo palette from Wet n Wild with my fluffy angle brush just below the cheekbones, my jawline, and sides of the nose. And now to set the concealer, I'm using the same Duo palette, and with my powder brush I'm gonna apply powder just in the areas where we have applied the concealer, just to give a little bit of dimension to my eyes. Here I'm using the Lemonade Crease palette from Maybelline, and with the help of the eyeshadow Old Fashioned, this is the dark brown shade from the palette, I'm gonna apply it in the crease, dab off the excess if any, and start applying it. Now I'm gonna take the eyeshadow color Citrus and slightly with the help of my finger I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Now the time is for the main part of the eye makeup, that is the bold kajal, and for that here I'm using my Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, and I'm gonna apply it both in my lower lash line as well as the upper lash line. First I'm gonna apply in the upper lash line and then in the lower lash line. Also I'm gonna drag it down. Now to make the kajal smudge proof and last long, I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild with the help of my smudging brush. I'm dabbing the eyeshadow right on the kajal that we applied. Be careful while using the eyeshadow, and now with the help of same brush I'm gonna smudge it out. For mascara, I'm using the False Lash Superstar mascara from L'Oreal, and the reason to use this particular mascara is because Alia is not wearing any falsies in this look, so that's why I'm using this one, so that it will make my lashes look bigger and voluminous. To add some color on my cheeks, here I'm using again the same palette and the eyeshadow Ice Pop as the blush. For highlighter, I'm using my Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and apply it on the cheekbones, under my brow bone, my cupid's bow, tip of my nose, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and chin. The same highlighter in my tear duct area as well. And this I am applying with the help of small eyeshadow brush. For lipstick, I am gonna use the Chambor's red lipstick in the shade 431, and before that I have applied the red lip liner so that the lipstick stays longer. And now for the big round bindi that Alia Bhatt is having on the forehead. I am very thankful to my mother-in-law that she gave me this. Otherwise, I would have to apply it with the lipstick, red lipstick. But as I got this, so I'm gonna stick the ready-made bindi. This is the final look for the inspired makeup look series, and this is inspired from the movie called Gangubai Kathiyawad starring Alia Bhatt in it, and I tried my level best to match Alia Bhatt as much as possible. And she's wearing the same neck piece, not exactly the same but same kind of neck piece, but in black metal I guess. Also the nose pin I got in black metal, but I didn't get the neck piece in black metal. And also for the bindi, she has applied the liquid bindi I think, but I have stick on the bindi that is ready-made available in the market. And if you don't have this bindi, then you can do the bindi with the help of red lipstick. For the hairstyle, I guess she must have done the bun, or else she must have done the two braid choti, but most probably it must be a bun. That's why I have done a bun in this look. And yeah, if you like the look and if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Do follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and the links and the ID of the TikTok will be given in the description box below, so do check that as well. And yeah, if you have any suggestions and if you have any requests for the next makeup look, then please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.